Are you struggling with low sound on your Windows PC even when the volume is at 100%? Don't worry. Just follow the steps, and your audio should become louder and clearer in minutes. Let's get started. Method 1. Enable loudness equalization. First, go to the bottom right corner of your screen on the taskbar. Here you will see the speaker icon. Right-click on the speaker icon. A small menu will appear. Click on Sound Settings. Now the Windows Sound Settings page will open. Scroll down a little and click on More Sound Settings. A new sound window will appear. At the top, click the Playback tab. Here you will see a list of audio devices like speakers, headphones. Find the device you are currently using for sound. Usually it will say speakers with a green check mark. Click once on speakers to select it. Now click Properties at the bottom. A new window called Speaker Properties will open. At the top, click on the Enhancements tab. Here you will see different sound enhancement options. Look for Loudness Equalization. This feature boosts quiet sounds and balances the overall audio level. Check the box next to Loudness Equalization. Then click Apply. Now click OK. Your PC sound should now become noticeably louder and clearer. Method 2. Increase volume. Sometimes the sound is low because individual applications have their own volume settings. To fix this, go again to the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click the speaker icon. Now click Open Volume Mixer. A volume mixer window will appear. Here you will see different apps currently running on your computer, such as Browser, Media Player, Game System sounds. Each application has its own volume slider. If one of these sliders is set too low, that specific app will sound quiet. Check each slider carefully. Make sure all the sliders are set to maximum or higher than before. Once you increase the volume here, the sound from those apps should immediately become louder. And that's it. 2 quick ways to boost your Windows sound. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe to Tech Resolve for more simple Windows fixes and PC tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.